Let's do it.
And while we were in the elevator coming down from our hotel room, we're in Detroit still. Laura tells me that she doesn't think she knows who Tone Loc is.
Let's do it.
Oh, yeah. I don't know
How do you not know who Tone Loc is?
Who knows the person who sang those songs?
Anyone that's ever been to a wedding, and I hate going to weddings. It's 2:30 and Laura is going in to pick up her passport. We drove over here. She's gonna run in. Hopefully it's just as simple as like grabbing it and then we're done. Then we're gonna head over to the airport and check in the hotel there. My hope is that I'll have some good drone vacation vlogs, normal funniness. So, whatever. Thank you for watching. We'll be extending one day, so we're gonna check out on Tuesday instead of Monday. Awesome, thank you so much. Just to confirm, January 10th, which is Friday, tomorrow, to 14th, which is Tuesday, the next, whatever. Okay, cool, awesome. I have to say, Orbitz is handling this really good. There's a lot of moving pieces. Orbitz is where I booked it through. So they first tried to reschedule our flights and that didn't work. So they referred me to the insurance provider. Can't remember their name, but I'll reference that at some point. The insurance company is hopefully gonna reimburse us for the flight that we paid for but didn't take yesterday, and then obviously the one on Monday. If that happens, then basically we're even, I guess. Like the trip cost us more money because we had to pay for a hotel and all that stuff, but whatever, that's like we're not out the cost of the trip. If they don't, then we're basically double paying for flights. And I think Laura just paid like, I think it was like $1,500 or $2,000 to get us there tomorrow. So that's actually not that much more than we paid for like just the flights initially. The boat show is here and I've seen so many boats drive past. That's awesome. Hopefully the insurance company's service is good. Like, I'm kind of nervous, but at the end of the day, look at this. At the end of the day, I guess, like, if the insurance company doesn't pay for it, it sucks to pay for 2 sets of flights and waste a couple grand, but we still got to keep the vacation, psyched up for it, planned for it. We don't do this often, so it is what it is. I'm just happy, and hopefully tomorrow goes smooth and we're good to go. Here she comes. She doesn't look happy. Oh, there she is. You do look happy. At first you were frowning. Man, that's crazy. They're issued today. I can't believe that we were able to get that passport. That's so cool. That car is definitely on fire. We made it to our room. This hotel is so sweet. Weston attached to the airport. So another $280 plus $120 to park. So we're plus another $400. And Laura just told me that she also rebooked the hotel again. So we now have 2 hotel reservations instead of just 1. So she's gonna call and try to cancel the ones that she booked. Laura's having a rough go. She doesn't want to be filmed. So I'm just here. Next piece of good news, the hotel that we inadvertently double booked, they are gonna refund or whatever the difference. So things are starting to look up. The Westin has been good to us. We're leaving now. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. If you ever have to fly out of Detroit Metro, I highly recommend staying at this hotel because it's literally attached to the airport. It's so convenient and super nice.
And the valet.
Yeah, valet. It's $120 for 5 days, which is $5 cheaper than if you parked just normal.
5 days times $5.
No, 5 days times $1.
Oh.
It's $1 cheaper per day. We're heading to the airport to check in. With some luck,
Going with this vacation.
with some luck, we'll be get going with this vacation. So evidently United, the airline we're on, is in the North Terminal, and we're in not the North Terminal, so we just made it through security and everything in the wrong building, so we have to get to the North. We have to take a shuttle to the North Terminal. I'm gonna put my phone away so we can extra hustle. We have hailed a cab because I feel like that'll be a little bit faster than the shuttle that comes every 5 minutes. We talked to a police officer and he's like,
He's gonna take you right here in this room.
we're in our second car, 5:45, but it's international. Well, I guess this for
You
like
fly
flights.
on the North Terminal?
Yeah.
Which one?
United.
United? Yeah, you got that.
Laura already hates this, where I video, she's told me 52 times, like, just wait, just don't do it. But if I wait, then I don't capture the moment. So we are now through our second set of security, on our way to gate D6. We got in one cab, like got all our bags and stuff, and then like a Metro car driver came down and was like, no, how about you'll come with me, I'm way faster than these guys. So instead of waiting for a shuttle, we pay the guy $40. He blasted us down here. He talked to security and I was like, hey, we already went through security once, we're in the wrong building. So they cut us to the front of the line, and I think that was the play that saved us. That was a close one, but it wasn't really that close. We made it on the first flight, flying to Newark, then to Mexico. on the second plane to Mexico. So, like, I'm expecting when we get there for like the flights to, or the hotel to be messed up or something. So, we are set for departure. We are in Mexico.
One more step.
We just have customs, then the van ride, or the car ride, whatever it is, and we will be officially on vacation. I am sweating so bad, so that's why I look ridiculous. Laura is done with me videoing her. We're in the customs line. Been in this line for 7 hours. Not really. Almost there.
You look like an absolute idiot.
Not far off. Last time we came here, this guy booked the car thing, or the van through the travel agent. And I said, I'm not doing that because we were on a van with 50 stops. I'm finding our own car. Found the greatest car service ever. Look at this. Just us. Oh. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
First Mexican beer. We made it. They actually had a room for us. Everything is good. It's exactly as we remember it. Just a matter of time before I'm down there. Look at the waves. Evidently there's a foam party here. How we doing? Laura's watching the drunk girls.
Love it.
You used to be that person.
Not anymore.
Laura and I are wasting no time.